nail art lovers, it would help so much, because then it solves all of troubleshooting. Like, you don't have to worry about it's gonna coming off, it's gonna catching on the hair, on your clothes, because precision glue gels, it does all the work for you. So what I do, I just check around with the crystal, and on the part of the beads and the frames, I seals on the top of it to prevent from getting tarnished. But I didn't do it on the top of the crystal. I just checked around the edges right there. If you feel scratchy, then you're gonna squeeze it just a little bit like that. You do not use a lot. A little go a long way. So after you are going to seal this, was going to cure this for 60 seconds. All right, this next one, do the same thing. I'm gonna seal right on the top of the frame and then check on the edges. So when you feel the edges right here, it doesn't have any scratchy, doesn't have any gap, you're good to go. But you feel it, you're going to squeeze just a little bit in, okay? Little go a long way. And then do a frame on this, and good to go. Cures again for 60 seconds. Next one. Hello Facebook, hi Instagram viewer, hi Facebook viewers, hello TikTok viewer. Thank you for tuning in. I'm so excited, so excited to able to be here and sharing awesome, cute, simple, easy, quick, easy and simple tip and trick for you. So I'm check, it's really good right here. But if you feel scratchy, you are going to squeeze it in just a little bit, and then I seal. You see that I seals right on the top of all the beads and the frame, but not on the top of the crystal, because you do not want to destroy the cut, the shape, the sparkle of it. So cure for 60 seconds. Let me show you 3 nails. You got 3. 3, we're gonna cure for 60 seconds, and then you are good to go.